The leaders of different NGOs of Garo Hills are organizing the biggest ever meeting cum rally at New Tura Playground tomorrow. Announcing tomorrow's meeting cum rally through the loudspeakers, the Garo NGOs today made a clarion call to all the church leaders, headmen, senior citizens to participate in tomorrow's meeting cum rally to protest against the signing of the Memorandum of Understanding between the Chief Minister of Meghalaya, Conrad K. Sangma, and Assam Chief Minister Himanta Biswa Sharma during the border settlement between Meghalaya and Assam.
Assam aro Meghalaya Sarkar ini sima hari ini bidino soal kagemen Memorandum of Understanding ba songgigirkan ikut jigalo kenal salmi sahabatio dan begeta Garo Hills gemet ni rally ko New Tura Playground no ormatena ini gemen sakit juga acek jat sekantian ya janak gemen meliona betul dengan Kak Sarah Angni acet jat sekantian ya janak kemudian nak kenal ni sahabat dia muncul filmnya riangnya bakura pasinan ni mula tengah yako lihat tengah acet NGOs yang rumah pelakon pula